So for the third topic is the 8-bit magnitude comparator. So I will discuss to you the overview. So what is magnitude comparator? A magnitude comparator compares two binary values and determine their relative magnitude. So sa magnitude comparator is may dalawa kang binary values at ipagko-compare nung magnitude comparator kung ano yung relatives nila or kung ano yung pagkakapareho, pagkakaiba or pagkakapareho nila. Sa output signal significantly indicate if one value is greater than, less than, or equal to the other. So, yung magiging output signal mo is malalaman ng magnitude comparator kung ito ba ay equal, less than, or greater than. The 8-bit comparator is particularly used in digital system for decision making and control logic. So, ang 8-bit comparator naman ay mostly ginagamit siya para sa mga system, mga digital system na mostly is for decision making or control logic. Kasi mas napapagaan niya nito or napipredict agad kung yung output ba is kung greater than, less than, or equal dun sa isang signal na napasok na or papasok pa lang. So ano nga ba yung functionality ng isang magnitude comparator? The comparator examines the data representation of two 8-bit inputs bit by bit, starting from the most significant bit natin. So yung comparator naman is yung mga bit or 8 bits na pinapasok natin, kasi nga 8-bit comparator siya, 8-bit magnitude comparator, so 8-bit lang yung pinaka-maximum niya. Yung 8-bit na yun is iniisa-isa niya or bit by bit niyang ini-examine para malaman niya kung yung bit na ba yun is same ba, so mas malaki or mas maliit. Doon niya if it finds a difference, it can determine the relationship. Doon niya malalaman niya kung greater than, less than, or equal sila. Kahit hindi niya na-examine yung mga susunod na bit, kasi nga pag nalaman niya yung doon pa lang sa unang bit kung greater than sila, the rest alam niya na agad nun. So kahit hindi mo na i-examine o hindi niya na i-examine yung iba pang bit. This efficient comparison allows quick decision making in system. So mas nakakatulong siya sa mga system na mapadali yung decision making. Kumbaga, mas mapapabilis mo. Hindi ka babagal, hindi ka din tatagal. Kasi nga, doon pala sa unang bit, pag nalaman mo na mas malaki siya or mas maliit or pantay sila, is agad mo na mapagdesisyonan kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo o tama ba yung bit na pinapasok mo doon sa system mo.
Next, schematic diagram. This schematic diagram show an 8-bit magnitude comparator, which compare two 8-bit binary numbers A and B to determine if they are equal. The input for the two numbers are represented as A and 0 through A and 7, and B as B and 0 and through B and 7, where each subscript denotes a specific bit in the binary numbers. Here is how the circuit work. Number 1, bitwise comparison. Each bit pair A0 and B0, A1 and B1 is compared using an XOR gate. An XOR gate outputs at A0 only when both inputs are the same, either both 0 or both 1. So each XOR gate checks if the corresponding bits of A and B matches. Number 2, inversion and AND gates. The output of each XOR gates goes through an inverter. If the two bits are equal, the XOR gate produce a 0, which the inverter change it to 1. These inverted outputs are then combined using AND gates. Number 3, equality output. The final AND gate connected to pin 19 receive the output from all 8-bitwise comparison circuits. It will output a high signal over line A is equals to B only if all individual bit comparison are equal, all AND gates inputs are 1. If any pair of bit differ, one of the input to the final AND gates will be 0. Making the output 0 indicates A, negative B. In the summary, this circuit outputs a high signal on over line A is equals to B if and only if all bits of A and B match, meaning is A is equals to B. That is how the circuit operates, and this schematic diagram is an 8-bit Johnson counter.
So we have a module magnitude comparator with two 8-bit inputs, which are A and B. So it outputs three signals, which are AGTB or A greater than B, ALTB or A less than B, and AEQB or A is equal to B to indicate whether A is greater than, less than, or equal to B. So the always cone block implements the comparison logic, which is yung nabanggit na kanina. So in the test bench, it defines signals to simulate A, B, and the output comparison signals. It instantiates the magnitude comparator module. So the initial block, or we used initial begin block, initialized test cases where different values are assigned to A and B, and the comparison results are displayed. So to set up waveform, we use $sign dump file and $dump bars. So it contains multiple test cases to verify the comparator under various conditions. There are A is less than to B, A is greater than B, A is equal to B. So we use $finish to end the simulation after the final test case.